Rutshelle just dropped a new song and I'm loving it. I saw it on my mom's phone.
What is the title of the song?
The title of it is called Determined. Do you know what that means? Let's talk about it.
Where did you see it?
On your phone, Mom. Rutshelle said, in the face of adversity, you must rise.
What does that mean?
It means if you're having problems, don't stop. You still have to do it. Face it. Rutshelle said, when I set my mind on things, I will do it.
What does that mean?
It means anything that I set my mind on, I can do it.
You go, girl.
Forever.
You go, girl.
Rutshelle said, I came for the money and the game. I will get it. It means that I will be successful. Rutshelle said, right about now, the sky is no limit.
What does that mean, Tay?
It means I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Ooh.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, but watch Rutshelle music on YouTube. Buy her songs, make some ideas for her so she can get more views.
Ooh.
Bye, Rutshelle. That's all for today. I love your music. Bye.